Hi guys, welcome to Glitch Guru. In this video, we'll show you what to do if you keep getting this OneDrive is full error on your Windows 11 computer. So to fix this, you'll first need to open the OneDrive settings menu. So this will bring up this window. Now if you don't want to use OneDrive anymore and if you want to stop these notifications entirely, you can go ahead and unlink your PC from here. So this will remove your OneDrive account from your Windows 11 PC and you won't see any notifications. However, if you want to keep using OneDrive, you can go to the Sync and Backup tab. Here you should see a few options to manage your backup. So you can, for instance, stop OneDrive from backing up unwanted files and folders from here. You can also stop OneDrive from capturing and uploading your screenshots. Another option is to simply upgrade your OneDrive storage. You can click on this Manage Storage button. So this will open your OneDrive account in a web browser. You can then click on this Get More Storage option to upgrade your OneDrive to one of these plans. However, if you want to stick with the free plan, you can go to this Free Up Space section and click on this OneDrive option here. So now OneDrive will give you a few options to free up storage space. As you can see, it is showing me this large files in my OneDrive account. So I can go ahead and delete them and then free up storage space like that. Once you have freed up space on your OneDrive account or upgraded your storage or unlinked OneDrive from your PC, you should not see this OneDrive storage is full error on your Windows 11 PC. If you find this video useful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to Glitch Guru.